Synonyms. Directions. Choose the correct answer that corresponds to the word closest in meaning to the bold and italicized word in the sentence. Let's get started. We should never be apathetic towards other people, for we have a social responsibility to fulfill. Indifferent. Concerned. Generous. Worried. The right answer is indifferent. A good leader should be cognizant of the numerous issues that affect his constituents. Aware. Uninformed. Confused. Idealistic. The right answer is aware. Always be careful not to issue any disparaging remarks against other people. Praising. Confusing. Damaging. Discouraging. The right answer is damaging. Flowers are ephemeral. They bloom yet wither in a week or so later. Shrivel. Long-lasting. Beautiful. Short-lived. The right answer is short-lived. A fastidious person will never find true happiness. Simple. Choosy. Greedy. Contented. The right answer is choosy. The Ortigas Center is filled with gargantuan buildings, some having up to 50 floors. Crowded. Old and weak. Fist class. Gigantic. The right answer is gigantic. Nobody like haughty Monty, who kept bragging about his riches. Arrogant. Foolish. Respectable. Dependable. The right answer is arrogant. The corrupt policeman was discharged from service due to his ignominious act of accepting bribes. Honorable. Disrespectable. Unwanted. Remarkable. The right answer is disrespectable. The impudent child was scolded for answering back to older people. Respectful. Honorable. Clever. Rude. The right answer is rude. Spores are infinitesimal reproductive units of fungi and lower plants. Invisible. Interesting. Microscopic. Large. The right answer is microscopic.
Thank you for watching. Comment down below kung ilan ang nakuha mong tamang sagot. Please follow us for more updates and videos.